Hello everyone, and welcome to another episode of UKULIMBAKERS series. A few weeks ago, I asked you to ask me some questions, and today, I'm going to answer them. This is my first Q&A, so I will answer your questions. But if I don't answer, that may mean one of the following. I don't know the answer. I can't speak on behalf of a person, a company, or a product. Please search in Google. You're so funny. I choose not to answer because I have the right to remain silent. Otherwise, what I will say will be used against me in the future. You think I don't know that? Still, I'm willing to answer your questions, so if you have some, please comment down below. Aside from answering some questions, I will also review my favorite kalimba, and that is in the later part of the video. So, let's do this! First question. I just wanted a review of that one. Don't have my kalimba yet. Is it too difficult learning to play songs in C if you have a kalimba in B? Well, you just need to disregard the letters on C and think like your kalimba is half step lower. So from C to B, that is a half step lower. And don't read the letters, read the numbers. And it's not that difficult. What do you understand better, English or Spanish? You know, I came from a place where everybody can dance, sing, or play an instrument. And how unfortunate it is if a Filipino doesn't know any of them. Right? And shout out to Anne's Kitchen for the Spanish bread. I'm a proud Filipino. And this is my Filipino English accent. Next, I misread Lingting as lightning. So the question that came to me was, how fast can you play on the kalimba? I can play fast on the kalimba, but I don't want to play that way. I want to play with sweetness. And how do you play so quickly? In any instrument, if you keep on doing what you're doing, practicing what you need to practice, you will become fast and good at it. So just keep playing. Next, when or what age did you start learning how to play musical instrument? I think I started playing instrument during my 8th grade. Because when I was younger, I used to dance. I was a dancer. That's a fact. Next, what is the best way to record the sound of the kalimba? By using an interface. So coming from your kalimba, there is a built-in pickup. It will go to your interface, from interface to laptop, and the laptop will record the sound of the kalimba directly. So there is no unnecessary sound. Next, when is your wedding? Next, paano po yung concept or key points on how to convert from piano to kalimba chords or tabs? Kung ang pag-uusapan ay chords, pwede mo siyang makuha from Google. Tapos, pinaka-importante, yung malaman mo yung key center. And from key center, gagawin mo siyang kung ano yung key center ng kalimba mo. So, kung C yung kalimba, itatranspose mo yung mga chords na yon dun sa key center ng C. Kung B, ilalagay mo sa B. So, importante ma-identify natin yung key center. Next, how to use the hammer thing, or how did you know if your kalimba is out of tune, and how to tune it? Well, if you don't have the listening skill, by the way, shout out to you, Rainier. He's a great musician. Please subscribe his channel, I link it down below. Okay, so if you don't have the listening skill on how to identify whether it's in tune or not, you may use a tuner, an app. And the general idea there is, the longer the tines, the lower the tune. The shorter the tines, the higher the tune. So if you hammer your kalimba downward, the tune goes lower. And if you hammer the kalimba upward, the tune goes higher. Next, what do you look for in replacement tines if you need them? Next, I really want to start playing on the kalimba, and I thought to buy the acrylic because I really like the sound. I heard the acrylic kalimba is heavy. How heavy is it? Well, I don't have a weighing scale here, I cannot measure, but yes, it is heavy, heavier than the hollow and other flatboard kalimbas, but you can carry it, you can bring it anywhere. Next, I just bought a kalimba and had problem with the last 3 tines. Is there any way for me to fix it? I tried tuning it a lot of times already, but it didn't work. Well, if you tune it a lot of times and it's still the same, I would suggest you buy another kalimba. Next, how did you discover kalimba and how long have you played on it? I discovered it last year and I think I've been playing for almost a year now. And here's my first video. Next, Which case would you recommend for a 17P Kalimba? Well, Gecko and Lingting's cases are quite decent, but if you will ask my recommendation, you may have a customized case. Next, I'm planning to buy my own Kalimba. Saan po magandang bilihan, ano pong magandang tatak at magkano po? Isasuggest ko pa rin yung Lingting or Gecko. You don't go wrong with those brands. Next, how are you? I'm fine, thank you. Next, it's a dumb question, but was it hard to push a key and make a note when you were a beginner? Because I heard that at first it is hard. No, it's not hard. You just need some nails. Next, giveaway. Next, what is your favorite song that is easy to play on Kalimba? Ask the deer. Next, how to use the pickup. Can you show us if there's any difference sa sound kapag ginamitan ng pickup or yung hindi ginamitan? Thank you. Yes, Justin, I'll answer this by making a video, and if the video is available, you'll see it right there. Next, paano nyo po minimaintain yung kalimba nyo para di mga lawang? Yan po kasi pangamba ko. Palagi mo lang siyang pupunasan saka ilalagay sa case kapag di mo ginagamit. Nangangalawang yung metal kapag exposed siya sa oxygen. So, kahit nasa ilalim siya ng tubig or wala, mangangalawang pa rin siya. Pero, mas maigi na lagi natin siyang nilalagay sa loob ng case. Next, what huge historical facts you know about Kalimba? Well, in Africa, there are many names and types of Kalimba, and one of them is Mbira. The name differs from region to region. According to them, during those times, they used Kalimba for religious practices. They said, its sound may attract spirits and ancestors seeking their advice. But that's not my purpose of using Kalimba. And why you live inside a school? I live inside the school because I work as a dorm dean, and this is my last month. I'm moving out next month. I'm excited. Next, ano po gagawin mo po pag nakaabot ng 10k subs? I will treat you in Burger King, James. Let's go. Next, I think I need to practice, but if you can recommend me some exercises, it'd be awesome. Thank you so much. Yes, I have 2 exercises. Please check out the link below. Next, why Kalimba? There are so many instruments. Why you play Kalimba? I love playing Kalimba because I love silence. And I play Kalimba because it's my way of expressing my gratitude to God. So, let's start the review of Lingting K17P. A few weeks ago, there's a box in front of my door. Behind that box, there's another box. I took in those boxes. I opened the first box. I saw a lot of accessories. I saw the Kalimbas. I tried it real quick. And I love it. So today I'm going to review Lingting K17P. This is my favorite Kalimba. There is just one thing that I don't like about it. Right, I told you this is my favorite Kalimba at the moment. So if you know a Kalimba which is better than this, please comment down below so I can try it. First, I love the simplicity of this Kalimba. Look at this. Look at the design, the wood, the logo. Okay? For a guy like me, I don't like fancy Kalimba, but it may look different if you put on the sticker. And as for the case is, I think, well thought. It is well planned case. Okay? Padded case with seat belt. The hammer is placed like this, and there's a hole, okay, that will fit the hammer when you close it. Aside from the case, they also have this one. So if you go out for a picnic with your friends and you put your Kalimba here, they will be like, okay, let's eat. Let's bring out your sandwich. No, it's not a sandwich, it's a Kalimba. Tada! But anyway, this is really cool. See? Very good, Lingting, for making this. I love it. And one more thing I love about it is the solidness of this Kalimba. It's really a solid wood. You see, if I hit my head, you will hear my skull. Ouch. What I'm trying to say is, I love instrument which is solid. And regarding the feels, you know, the feels when you play it, I really feel like I can be more creative in this Kalimba as compared to other Kalimbas. But again, tell me if there is better than this, so I can try it. The sound is also decent, and if you want to hear how this sounds like, you may check out the link below. And one more thing, look at those tines. They're waving. Well, it's not just because of the camera setting, it's also because of the tines. This Kalimba is designed for B standard tuning. Although I can tune it to C, I won't, because the longer the tines, the longer the vibration. and so you can create those beautiful waves. But the only problem I have with this is the pickup. They did not install the pickup, but they gave us a detachable pickup. So it's a hassle that you will put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off, put it on, take it off. Why is that, Lingting? Come on. So I have here an old guitar, and this one has a pickup. Maybe I will just get the pickup of this guitar and install it here. That's just the concern. There's no installed pickup. I don't want to attach that and detach it, put it on and take it off. But aside from that, very good, Lingting. Again, if you know a kalimba which is better than this, let me know. Please comment down below. And if you have more questions, I will answer them in my next Q&A. Please consider subscribing to my channel for more videos about kalimba and ukulele. Maraming salamat po. Hanggang sa muli nating pagkikita. Paalam.